Alright then.
Hey guys, it's Mason versus Austin.
Mason, Austin. This is Great Nature versus the Aqua Force Trial deck.
I'm probably going to lose. I just feel like using it for fun.
Should be an interesting game. I don't believe we've done that many Great Nature battles, so...
I think we've done like 2.
By the way, sorry for the shaky video, like moving. It's because we're using...
The chandelier is moving.
Yeah, the chandelier is...
You see, I built something out of my genius and hooked it up to my chandelier.
Actually, it's your insanity, but okay.
But...
Yeah, insanity is just another form of genius. It just depends on how crazy you think it goes.
Actually, Einstein was insane, but he was a genius.
Trevor.
It is said that insanity, if you were a genius, you were insane.
So, what do you guys think? I think he's going to keep.
Yeah.
Keep it.
I'm going to keep it. I'm just going to simple cut. For like trying to
1,
shuffle.
2, 3.
Good hand, right, guys?
I think we both got good hands.
Yeah, you guys both.
We're going to roll.
Sure.
High or low?
High.
3.
Still, the dice hates me. 1.
1.
Still, the dice hates me.
Stand. Draw.
Only bad thing about my starter, it doesn't move back.
Monoculous Tiger. Rear guard moves back.
I go. Draw. Ride. 6.
No guard.
Draw. Yeah.
Damage check. No trig.
Cool.
Stand. Draw. Ride. Call.
Yep.
10k van.
Sure.
Move the damage up.
14k van.
No guard. No guard.
No trig.
No trade. Stand.
Turn.
Draw. Well, that's helpful. Ride Lazarus. Call. Call. And call. Vanguard.
15. I'm gonna go with 10.
Okay. 10k. Van.
5.
10k
No guard.
van. Lazarus.
Damage check. No
You
trig.
misplayed, Austin. Big time.
Stand.
I know.
Draw. Ride.
Cool.
Call. 10k rear.
Okay.
14k van.
No guard.
First check. Heal. Power. Heal. Second check. No trig.
Image check. Draw. Power. Draw.
15k rear. Turn.
You just misplayed 5 times in the past 2 turns.
Draw. Navalgazer.
Respite case.
16. Here.
Have fun. No guard.
10k. First, no trig. Second, no trig.
No trig.
And 11k here.
I'm gonna go with 10.
Go.
I'm gonna use his ability by
Okay.
flipping 1.
Look for a grade 3.
Golden Soul. Goes in my hand.
And you're just going to call
I'm
it.
going to call him right there. So,
Okay.
cut.
That's one thing I've never thought about in the anime. How do you cut the opponent's decks when they're like across an entire football field?
Right?
Little elevator that goes down from the
I'm
next
gonna call.
That's what I thought,
transfers.
yeah, but you've never actually seen that.
I know. It's kind of like Yu-Gi-Oh! You don't know.
10k rear.
Yeah, but Yu-Gi-Oh! Actually shows you.
During the Pegasus one, the dude literally came out on the field,
Fine.
took the dude's deck, and brought it over. 16k van.
Okay.
First check, no trig. Second check, draw. Power over here. Draw. 15k rear. Turn.
Limit break. Oh, hold on, I gotta reread this.
When it hits, you can stand to your Vanguards.
Okay. So 10k here,
Intercept.
here,
10.
16.
No guard.
First stand in power. Second check, no trig.
Damage check. No trig.
Skill, restands. Because it's third attack or more, gains 1. 16.
I'll let you have it.
Third attack or more,
No
gains
guard.
3. Vanguard. Hold on. I'm gonna activate skill to drop and draw. Go.
That was a good turn, Austin. That was a good
Call.
turn.
Call. Call.
Oh dear God.
Actually, let's call you here. His effect. Flip 1. Top card. Goes in the damage zone. I'm going to tap. Gains +2. And 4.
Okay.
9k Vanguard. Doesn't go through. But he does gain +4,000. Gains +4. He just gained +12. Turning him to 18. 28k Van.
28.
Yes.
Oh my God. $30. How much did you say it was?
28.
28, 30. 2.
First check. Stand. Stand. Power.
Okay.
Second check. No trig. $9k rear.
Go.
13k rear. He retires. His effect, I flip 1, search my deck for another one of him, bring him to my hand.
Limit break, counterblast 1, bring
Yep.
him back. No?
Limit break, counterblast 1, bring him back. His effect,
You heal 1.
I think your deck should run Great Natures. It's a combo deck.
True. I actually might be really good at Great Natures. Once you learn to
My go?
play.
Yeah.
Stand and draw. Fuck. Move up. Dorothea. Limit break. $60k here, doesn't go through. 10k here.
5.
26k Vanguard.
card.
Twin drive. First, no trig. Second, no trig.
Stand.
And yay.
Draw. Cards in hand.
5.
Just because I can, probably won't work out as the way I plan it. But, final turn!
Okay.
I'm going to tap. Gains +4. 9k. Vanguard.
Doesn't go through.
Gains +4. 20k Van. Gains +4.
20k?
Yeah.
20, 30. 2 breaks.
First check. No trig. Second check. Heal. Power.
Ah,
Heal.
he healed. Oh, thank God. Limit breaks gone.
You still don't survive. Actually, yeah, you do. Never mind.
I know.
I'm going to go... Cards in hand.
3.
I attack him.
How much?
This is going to be
22.
22.
F you, Mason. F you.
Are you going to use the rest of your hand? Or are you going to let it? These two are retired. His effect activates. I flip 1. Search my deck for another one of him. And bring him to my hand.
Okay. My go?
Yes.
Draw.
Not final turn.
Oh well. I said probably won't work out, so...
My God. Bless you.
Bless you.
Dear God.
Dear
Move back. Call. Call. Call.
Not to mention you have no more limit break.
So, I still get the 10k. Actually, 13. Vanguard.
You sure about that?
How much cards did I have in your hand, actually?
6.
Yeah, Vanguard.
4?
6, 14. 5.
10.
Okay. No, 10. Rear guard.
Please don't flick my cards.
Sorry.
They're expensive
Rear guard.
cards. 10. No guard.
Vanguard. Ah, yep. Oh, yay. No perfect cards in a trial
Good.
deck.
Draw. Call. Call. Tap. Gains plus 4,000. 9k Vanguard. Gains plus 4,000. 16k Vanguard. Gains plus 4,000.
You know what? No guard.
First check. Stand. Stand. Power.
Ah.
Actually, power.
Okay.
Second check. Stand. Stand. Power. Goes through.
Oh. Wait, this goes through?
Yes.
Yeah, it does. No trick.
15k Vanguard. Gains plus 4,000.
No.
Let's see how heavy this attack would have done. 2 trigs.
That's 20.
20 plus 4. That's
Another
16. That's 36 plus 6. That would be 42k attack.
Yeah, the only bad thing about trial decks, I don't have perfect cards. I don't have perfect cards.
show the field man.
Let's see.
And my hand is pretty good. Top 5 cards.
And I didn't have any triggers that game. I barely had any triggers. Let's see. Top 5. Stand. Crit. Nothing. Heal.
Oh,
Yeah,
well.
there were my triggers. I'm like, where are my triggers?
Decent game. And then I would have flipped one. He would have been brought back.
I could have been.